Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1281 refers to a malfunction in the front wiper mist position circuit within Honda Civic models from 2006 to 2011. This error indicates that the circuit responsible for activating the front wiper's mist function is not functioning as intended. The front wipers serve a crucial role in maintaining visibility during adverse weather conditions, and the mist position is specifically designed for a quick, one-time wipe to remove light rain or moisture. This malfunction could be triggered by various factors, including faulty wiring, a malfunctioning wiper switch, or issues within the Multifunctional Integration Control Unit, MICU. The MICU is typically located under the dashboard and plays an essential part in managing multiple electronic systems, including the wiper system. Addressing this issue promptly is vital for ensuring the proper functionality of the wipers and, consequently, the driver's safety and visibility. The DTC B1281 signifies a malfunction in the front wiper mist position circuit, a crucial component of the Honda Civics wiper system. This circuit allows the wipers to perform a mist function, a single wipe action that is typically employed during light precipitation. The wiper system, which includes various positions such as INT, intermittent, low, and high, is essential for providing clear visibility to the driver. The circuit's components are primarily housed within the under-dash fuse relay box area, with connections that lead to the Multifunctional Integration Control Unit, MICU. The MICU serves to relay signals from the wiper switch to the wiper motor, thus controlling the wiper's operation. It is critical to have this circuit functioning well. Otherwise, the driver's visibility may be severely compromised in wet conditions. There are several possible causes for DTC B1281. And understanding these can assist in effective troubleshooting. First, a faulty wiper switch could prevent the signal from being transmitted effectively, causing the mist function to malfunction. This switch is responsible for sending the command to the MICU and subsequently activating the wiper motor. Second, there may be wiring issues, such as damaged or corroded wires that disrupt the electrical flow and lead to intermittent failures or permanent loss of functionality. Lastly, a defective MICU may be the root cause. This control unit is pivotal in managing signals from various electrical components throughout the vehicle, including the wiper system. Checking these components systematically will reveal the underlying issue and help restore the wiper system's normal operation. The symptoms associated with DTC B1281 prominently feature issues with the wiper mist function, which may become completely inoperative. This could lead to problems in conditions where quick visibility restoration is crucial, such as light rain. Additionally, users may experience erratic wiper operation, where the wipers are either slow to respond or may not respond as intended to different switch positions. These symptoms can create safety concerns while driving. In practical terms, drivers may find that the wipers do not clear water effectively, leading to potential reduced visibility. As such, these issues should be addressed quickly and efficiently to ensure optimal functionality of the vehicle's wiper system, thereby enhancing driver safety. The first step in troubleshooting for DTC B1281 involves clearing the diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This action resets the onboard computer and provides a clean slate for further evaluation. When the HDS is utilized, it allows technicians to communicate directly with the vehicle's control modules. After clearing the DTCs, it is important to turn the ignition switch to the lock position and then back to on, second position. This step ensures that all systems are awake and ready for testing. Subsequently, turning the wiper switch through its various positions, mist, int, low, high, and off, provides critical information about the wiper system's response. Waiting at least 6 seconds between switch changes allows the system to register and respond correctly, preparing for the next diagnostic check. After performing the initial step of clearing the DTCs, the next move is to inspect if any DTCs reappear in the HDS. Specifically, we are looking for the presence of DTCs B1281, B1282, B1283, or B1284. If any of these codes are indicated again, they point directly to persistent problems within the wiper circuit. In this case, we should proceed to step 5 of the troubleshooting process. If none of the codes are present, it suggests that the wiper system is working correctly at that time, and the issue may be intermittent. However, caution is advised to check for loose or poor connections that may have caused the original malfunction. Through careful assessment at this stage, technicians can narrow down potential causes effectively. In this third troubleshooting step for DTC B1281, technicians are directed to select the wipers option on the Body Electrical System Select menu of the HDS. This enables access to detailed readings of the wiper system's performance. Entering the data list menu allows for a thorough assessment of each wiper switch position value as displayed on the HDS monitor. Accurate readings at this stage are critical. They offer insights into whether the switch positions are being recognized correctly by the system. When the wiper switch is turned off, the corresponding values should be off across various settings, including low, high, mist, and int. This data can guide investigators toward the next troubleshooting steps based on whether the readings are accurate or not. After generating data values for the wiper switch positions, confirming that all values reflect correctness is crucial in this fourth troubleshooting step for DTC B1281. If the data list values are accurate, it indicates that each wiper position sends and receives signals correctly, thus facilitating further investigation concerning potential wiring or control unit issues. If, however, any of the values are incorrect, another set of troubleshooting steps will be needed to identify the exact fault. The reliability of these data readings supports effective diagnostics, thus enabling technicians to narrow down which component or combination thereof might be malfunctioning. Depending on the outcome, this will either lead to the subsequent steps addressing continuity checks or identifying faulty components. The fifth troubleshooting step for DTC B1281 requires turning the ignition switch to the lock position to ensure the electrical systems are safely powered down. After this, the technician will disconnect the under-dash fuse relay box connector S20P. This step is critical as it allows access to check for continuity between the terminals of this connector. Continuity testing verifies that the wiring paths leading to the MICU and other components are intact and functional. The technician will check between specific terminal pairs identified in the instructions, including from terminal 10 O/orange to terminal 6 blue and others. If continuity exists among these connections, it indicates that the electrical paths are functioning correctly, allowing us to proceed further in troubleshooting and potentially identify shorts in the wiring. In this sixth troubleshooting step, the focus is on the continuity results that have been gathered from the initial checks. If there is confirmed continuity between the specified wire terminals, this indicates that the wiring setup is appropriate and signals are likely traveling correctly through the circuits. This would lead to the conclusion that there may be a need to repair a short between the wires if a fault is identified. Conversely, if continuity is found to be absent, this suggests that the issue may lie within the MICU itself. Since the MICU plays a pivotal role in integrating signals from various vehicle systems, its failure to function could necessitate its replacement. Understanding the results from continuity can lead to an efficient resolution of the DTC B1281 issue. After completing repairs based on the troubleshooting findings for DTC B1281, it is essential to conduct a final verification of the repairs performed. This ensures that all components have been reconnected appropriately and securely. Following reconnections, extensive testing of the wipers in all functional positions, mist, low, high, and int, is crucial. Observing the wiper operation at this stage confirms the effectiveness of the repairs. Additionally, it is advisable to utilize the Honda Diagnostic System HDS once again to verify that no further DTCs are present and that the system operates correctly without malfunction. Successful verification indicates that the issues leading to DTC B1281 have been effectively resolved, resulting in the restoration of functional wiper performance. To prevent issues leading to DTC B1281 and similar wiper system malfunctions, regular preventive maintenance is essential. Vehicle owners should regularly check wiper functions, ensuring that all switch positions, mist, interval, low, and high, operate flawlessly. Periodic inspection of the wiring leading to the wiper system for signs of wear, corrosion, or damage is crucial when preventing electrical failures. Additionally, maintaining secure and clean connections at the MICU and related components will further ensure consistent performance. Performing these tasks routinely can significantly reduce the risk of intermittent failures and malfunctions, keeping the wiper system reliable, particularly in conditions where visibility is compromised due to weather. Overall, maintenance serves as a proactive approach to vehicle reliability. In conclusion, DTC B1281 indicates a malfunction within the front wiper mist position circuit, a vital component for safe driving due to its role in maintaining visibility during adverse conditions. The troubleshooting process is systematic, beginning with clearing DTCs and proceeding through checks of the wiper switch values, continuity tests, and ultimately verifying the integrity of the MICU. Understanding the potential causes and symptoms allows for efficient localization of issues, whether they arise from the switch, wiring, or control unit failures. Regular preventive maintenance of the wiper system can enhance reliability, thus preventing future occurrences of such DTC-related problems. By following a structured approach, technicians can ensure that the wiper system is fully functional and safe, thereby ensuring the driver's visibility and safety on the road. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.